Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Ford Edge in a sport trim and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for getting around with some excellent fuel efficiency. And with all-wheel drive capabilities, you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions. Does also have vent shades on the windows and is freshly detailed, so it's nice and clean, but let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back, we have a nice power liftgate that opens up and out of the way for you. Looking in the back, we have a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding it on the rear seats. You also have a nice cargo mat in here with your spare and some storage underneath. And then you have a nice cargo curtain so you can keep your purchases private. And you have a 12-volt power outlet and power controls to lower your seats. And then it does close again with another simple press of a button. And then looking in the back seat, we have seating for three with a nice full leather and suede interior. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet and heated rear seats. Do also have fitted rubber floor mounts throughout the vehicle. This vehicle does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, and mirrors. Oh, now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 45,335 kilometers. And moving on to the steering wheel, on the right hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, as well as your controls for your right screen, where you can look at your entertainment, navigation, and phone controls. And on the left, you have your cruise controls with distance basic technology and your controls for your left screen here, where you can cycle through information such as your RPMs with oil temperature, tire pressures, digital speedometer, and all-wheel drive status, as well as distance to empty. Then you can also look at your trip 1 and 2 information, your fuel economy, driver assist settings, and settings in general for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You do also have your digital climate controls with dual front climate, heated and air-conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. Have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with front and reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. With dynamic hitch view, so you can hopefully have an easier time hooking up a small trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen, you have a compartment here for storage. And then moving down from your screen, you have your hazards, your front camera view, which is also a convenient thing to have. And then your media controls here with Sony audio, and your climate controls, once again, dual front climate, heated and air-conditioned front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay comfortable. And below that, you have a compartment here with 2 USBs and some space, so you can plug something into power charge from there. Then you have your main shifter here. Do have select shift. You have paddle shifters on the wheel, so you can manually shift through your gears. Before I forget, you do also have your lane keeping system on the end of the signal stock. And then moving on from that, you have your parking brake, your parallel park assist, and your park assist sensor shutoff, which we don't want to do. And you have 2 cup holders here and your 2-tiered center compartment / armrest here, which does have another 12-volt power outlet inside. And before I forget, there is actually another 12-volt over here for your front passenger and a sort of little cubby area down here for more storage. And then last but not least, you have a panoramic Vista roof up top so you can land in the sunshine on a nice sunny day, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself and have a nice day.